Lyre's is taking a global approach to fixing non-alcoholic beverages by bringing adult flavor profiles and tastes to everyone's favorite drink. We're taking time-tested classic flavor profiles that are found in spirits and making them in non-alcoholic form. The response has been overwhelmingly amazing. I think in general, people are really excited to take their favorite cocktail and see it in non-alcoholic format to fit their perfect drinking occasion. The value to Lyre's of these events is beyond measure. Essentially, we're giving people the ability to feel, touch, taste our products and find their real-life application for our brand in their venue.
My favorite cocktail to make with Lyre's is the Negroni. Flavor profiles match wonderfully with the expectation of an actual Negroni.
Places like the Raven Room really become our spiritual home for Lyre's. It's getting the bartenders that fall in love with our brand and engaging their guests in sophisticated non-alcoholic options that really excite us as a brand.
Lyre's coming to Canada is really exciting because we have a quality drink program here at the Raven Room, and it provides an opportunity for us to be able to make low ABV, no ABV cocktails with this wonderful product.
Coming to Canada is really the next big step for us at Lyre's, particularly to the business unit in North America. We just can't wait to see what non-alcoholic spirits will do here.